Hi guys, and welcome back to my real estate channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what we're forecasting for the remainder of 2021 in real estate. So if that is something that you want to learn a little bit more about, then please keep watching. So what is to come in 2021? Let's forecast. Well, experts are saying that our interest rates will continue to rise and they will hit 3.4% by the end of the year. Mind you, when we started with low interest rates, they were at 2.89, and that was at the beginning of 2020. So interest rates have been increasing for buyers. And if you are a buyer, what does that mean? It means that your purchasing power might drop. For some buyers, it might eliminate them from actually having the opportunity to purchase a home in the desired neighborhoods that they've been looking for. Now, if you are a homeowner, what does that mean? It means that you will continue to receive offers from buyers that are strong. And also, it means that we are not going to be seeing any dips in pricing, especially over the summer when it's expected to be a very hot season. So if you're a homeowner, you want to get top dollar for your property, now's the time, because you'll be able to get between 20 to 40 crazy offers on your property. So if you are a homeowner, you're interested in selling, finding out more, call me today. We can talk more about what options you have. I'll see you guys next week for another video on this channel. Bye.